The ability to speak to camera is becoming more and more important as video becomes an essential business tool. Camera shy? This short video will teach you how to look both comfortable and confident on camera. A few small changes can make a big difference. Let's talk about your setting. Find a nice, quiet place to record with an attractive backdrop. Make sure your main light source is in front of you, so you're well lit and not a silhouette. Natural light is very flattering, so sitting with the window in front of you will make you look great. Framing your shots correctly is critical if you want to look good on camera. Make sure you fill the frame, but careful, placing yourself too low in the frame with the camera pointing down on you will make you look less important. Too high in the frame with the camera looking up to you and it can start to look strange. Try to get your device as close to eye level as you can. Filming in landscape for these videos will give the best result. Using a stand or something to keep the camera still while you record will avoid camera shake and drastically improve the quality of your video. Once you press record, get comfortable and check the frame before you start talking. Don't worry too much about what you're wearing or how you look, with one big exception. Look out for anything that will be distracting for your audience. The camera has a way of exaggerating these distractions. Do a short test recording and watch it back. What can you see? Some hair sticking up? Maybe your tie's not straight or a button's undone, your collar up or your straps are showing, or maybe an unusual shadow on your face. The same rules also apply for background distractions. Check you don't have a plant growing out your head or any other distracting objects behind you or around you. You may have noticed some people look nervous or untrustworthy during interviews. This is quite often just because of where they're looking, or rather, where they're not looking. For this video, you have two options. Either look at the camera, or look slightly to the left or to the right of the camera. The golden rule is to look at the camera or away, but never both. The person sending you the video request may have indicated they prefer one style over another. If you want to present to camera, remember to look at your device's camera lens, rather than the screen. If you look directly at the small camera, focus your gaze past it, you will have a much better connection with your audience. You know you've got it right when the device itself appears out of focus to you. Try to hold this gaze as you speak. If you have notes, you can look down briefly, then look up and through the lens to continue speaking. If you decide to speak whilst looking off camera, pick a spot on the wall at eye level and hold your gaze there, as a wandering gaze will make you look unconfident or shifty. It's widely believed that the camera adds 10 pounds, but this isn't actually true. On the contrary, with the right framing and lens, it can actually make you look slimmer. What is true is the camera takes away about 20% of your enthusiasm. So as you're speaking, just crank up that enthusiasm like you're giving someone fantastic news. It may feel a bit strange while you're speaking, but it will look great when you watch it back. When we talk, most of us have a habit of making our point and then making it again in a slightly different way. It's just human nature. It's not so bad in normal conversation, but on video, it can get a bit boring. The rule is to say what you want to say in as few words as possible. Each answer should only be a few seconds long, and you need to record each answer separately, so remembering what you want to say should be easy. Give yourself a break. Don't get frustrated with yourself if you have to do a few takes. Everyone does. It's only the best take that counts. If you're not happy with the final video, show someone you trust and get their feedback. If they think you can do better, just try again until they give you a thumbs up. Always trust feedback. Remember, just be yourself and don't expect to be 100% happy with the end result. Perfection doesn't exist, but follow all the steps that we've gone through here and you'll end up with a great video. So, now you know the secrets of how to talk on camera. Good luck and have fun.